This conference will now be recorded.
So good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Yeah, thanks for joining. I'm sharing my screen. Please let me know when everyone able to see. Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Everyone able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay. So till now we have completed two demo classes, and in the demo classes we have discussed about a number of things. And in the our yesterday's class we have discussed about mainly we focused on what is differences between on-premises and cloud, right? So we started our class on 19th, and this 19th we have came across with the whole of the cloud vendors, what are the cloud services, and once you okay taken this course, okay, either you may be selected into as a Azure data engineer role or DevOps engineer role. Okay, and the prerequisites is SQL language need, okay, must and should you need to learn. For this we are providing some end-to-end SQL videos, basic and advanced, and we need to look into free trial account. Okay, how to create the free trial account for Microsoft account for the Azure, so that we can able to practice again remaining classes, and means practical classes. If you want to practice, we can practice on top of this account only. And what are the components we need to learn? Mainly data factory and data bricks. These two are enough. Okay, data engineering means only these two components mainly. Okay, 50% of the projects will be there in Azure data factory, and 50% of the projects will be there in Azure data bricks. Either you can learn any one of the technology and you can go for the interview, but it's better to have both the components awareness, okay, and experience. And apart from this there are a number of other concepts in the Azure. Most of the concepts I'll try to complete. And next one is what is data? The raw information we are calling it as data. And what is database? Database is a place where we are storing the data and to process the data. And in the database, in which format we are storing the data? We are storing the data in the form of rows and columns. Okay, and if we are storing the data in the form of data in the tabular format, then how many types of databases are there? There are mainly two types of databases, OLTP and OLAP. So why we are using, what is the difference significance of using two different databases means, there comes into picture differences between these two databases. So OLTP is used to store current or present data, whereas OLAP is used to store historical data. And the OLTP, the the database size is very less, whereas the OLAP, the database size is very huge. Okay, and also the performance of OLTP is huge, whereas the performance of OLAP is less. And the data model which we are using in the OLTP is ER data model, entity relationship model. Means entity means table. Whatever the tables we are storing, suppose 100 tables we are storing in one database. So each and every first table having table in relation with the second table having relation with the third table is having relation with the fourth table, like 99th table having relation with the 100 table. Like that all the tables will having some connection between the tables. That is called as a ER data model, entity relationship model. So we are joining the two tables by making use of one key column. Okay, and what is meant by OLAP means it is following dimensional data model, where the data is storing in the form of dimensions and facts. Dimension means use it to store descriptive information, fact means use it to store numerical information. So these are all the things related to the data warehousing concepts we are calling. And OLAP, the term OLAP, we are calling it as a data warehouse only. Okay, and next one is schemas. There are different types of schemas are there, like star schema, snowflake schema, and hybrid schema. Star schema means the dimension tables are directly joining with the fact table. Snowflake schema means dimension tables are directly joining with the fact table, and dimension to dimension tables also joining. That is we are calling it as a snowflake schema. And hybrid schema is these two schemas are okay available in one schema, that is nothing but the mixed mode or hybrid schema. Okay, and the next one is the programming languages. There are two kinds of language: programming language and command oriented language. SQL will comes under SQL. SQL is comes under command oriented language, whereas Java, okay, Python, and all the other language like C, C++, these all are comes under programming languages. Okay, So now next one is types of data. How many types of data are there? There are mainly three types of data: structured data, semi-structured data, and unstructured data. Structured data means tabular format. Semi-structured means in the tags format, nothing but JSON, XML, HTML like this. And unstructured data means video files, audio files, all the files we are streaming data. We are calling it as a unstructured data. So this is we have discussed in our first class. Okay, and in the second class we have discussed about, in the yesterday's class I mean to say, we have discussed about the differences between on-premises and cloud. So in the on-premises we used to take care of infrastructure, software and platforms related services, but whereas in the cloud it will be taken care by the cloud itself. And the clouds are maintained in data centers, means across all the globe Microsoft is having n number of data centers, so that there will not be any damage. Okay, there will not any damage to the data, or the performance wise also it is very fast. And we have discussed a number of points right related to on-premises and cloud. So that's all till now happened. So today I'm going to discuss about some more new things. That is, one is creation of Azure free trial account. Okay, so this is second prerequisite, means everyone should have one free trial account, then only we can start the Azure classes. Okay, so creation of free trial account involving in two steps. One is we need to have one email account. Okay, we need to have one email account. Everyone should have one email account. Email account means either it is a Gmail. Okay, either it is a Gmail or Outlook or Yahoo Mail, anything. We are having a number of Microsoft account. We are having a number of emails, right? Email accounts. So anything we can use, but it is preferred to use create Microsoft account, Microsoft email account, because our Azure we are practicing the Microsoft product, right? So it's better to have Microsoft product than Microsoft email account. Then all the features will be enabled. Okay. Second one, we need to register we need to register this email, whatever the email ID we have created. We need to register this email ID with Azure portal, Microsoft Azure portal. These are the two steps involved, that's it. Okay, if you've done these two steps, then we can good to go use the services with a free of cost for 1 month. So what is the meaning of free of cost for 1 month means? So Microsoft is providing, because we need to experience the services, then only we can able to buy, right? So that is the reason the clients, for the clients there are having a number of opportunities, right? There are a number of cloud services they are providing the services. So the client needs to decide which interface is feasible for them, for the cost wise and the performance wise and the accessibility wise. So if they want to take some decision, first they need to use the products, right? So if they need to use the product, so this cloud guys, what they are doing, they are providing for free of cost for 1 month each and every service. Okay, so that they will use it for 1 month with free of cost. If they are like the services, they'll buy the subscription for 2 years or 3 years like that. Okay, so that's the reason they are providing, Microsoft is providing 1 month free trial. So we are using this 1 month free trial and we are creating our account and we are practicing our services. So the first step is what? We need to create one email account. So let me create the email account for Microsoft. So how to create the Microsoft email account? So how to create the Gmail account? Gmail account, you know, right? www.gmail.com you need to press, and then you need to click on create account. Like that, Microsoft account, if you want to create office.office365.com. Office365.com, it will show interface like this for business, see plans and pricing. See here, click on the plans and pricing, and you will see find the best 365 plans for business. So here there are a number of things: Microsoft Business Basic, Standard, Premium, Business Apps. So these all are a 1 month, for month 145 rupees, 770 rupees like that. So try to click on this second one, but not the buy now. Below there is a free, try free for 1 month. This is also they are providing free for 1 month. Okay, just click on that try free for 1 month. We are doing the first step, remember. Okay, the first step means creating our email account with the Microsoft. So anyone, can you please let me know your Gmail ID so that I will create an email account for you? Anyone in the class, any one person, can you just provide your email ID, Gmail ID, I mean to say, for the backup purpose? Can anyone ping your email ID here in the chat group, please?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah, can you please ping your email ID? Okay, sorry, you have pinged, right? Okay, I'll take the first one. So we are creating, whenever we are creating email account, it will create the backup account, right? Means recovery account. That is what it is asking first. So provide one email account, Gmail account, Vera Azure Data Engineer at gmail.com. Just click on next. Okay. So here set up an account. Click on this set up an account. So here it is asking some details. So I'm just giving Vera Azure. Okay. And here I'm just giving data engineer, something like this. Okay, and the job title is job title we can give any name like ADE, Azure Data Engineer. Phone number, Vera, can you please let me know your phone number? You will get an OTP. Okay, please give me the number which you will get the OTP. So you are from which place? You are from outside of India. Okay, so I need the account from India. Is there anyone can provide phone number? Amar, Amar, can you just provide me your mobile number, please? I thought you are from India. Sorry. We can create that for number also. Just without getting the network glitches, I'm just doing this. Okay. It is again. I'm doing the same thing. Okay. India number is there now. Sorry, sorry. Okay. I'll do again. Vera Data Engineer. Click on next. Set up an account. Vera middle name. Sure. And surname. Anything you can give. Just some details. Azure Data Engineer. The phone number is business phone number, and here company name, any name you can give. I'm just providing smart stream IT, and the company size you can select it 2 to 4 people, and the country is India region, and click on this one and click on next. So it will send you one verification code. Can you just, Vera, can you just let me know the verification code? You will get to your mobile number. Yeah, thank you. So this is the verification code. Just you need to verify, and it is asking password. See, whenever you are creating this step, try to save this information into one place. This is the email ID for you, okay, which Microsoft is providing. Vera Data Engineering at the rate smartstream IT dot on Microsoft.com. Like we are getting right some data engineer dot Azure 333 at gmail.com, like that. It is the domain of on Microsoft. Means you are creating a Microsoft email account. So this is your email ID and password. I'm just providing some password. I provided one password, and I'm just clicking on next. Very simple steps if you understand. Okay, just you are creating the email account. Next, we'll set up this email account with the Azure portal. Okay, so now once it is done, it will take you to the add payment method page, but don't click on anything. Okay, This is the email account you are creating, right? Don't click on anything, just leave like this. Okay, your first step is done. Means creating the email account. The second step is just leave page like this. You can close also, no problem, because you have already taken the email id. So just click on the next one. Go to the Google. I'm just showing you from the scratch. Okay, go to the Google and okay, create Azure free account. Just click on this one, create Azure free account, and here create your free Azure account today. Click on this one. Here there are two options they're providing. This is the Azure home. This is the Azure page where we are buying the services. Start free or pay as you go methodology. I told you, right, the model which Azure, the cloud technologies are using, not only Azure, everyone cloud services they are using pay as you go methodology. Means you need to pay for what you are using, that's it. Okay, so currently we are not using this pay as you go, but in our projects, in our clients, they will use this one. But for the practice purpose, we need to click on this start free. So it is asking which username you want to take. I just want to create on top of this. Just now we are creating, right, Vera data engineering. On top of this, I'm clicking on it. So it will take you to the page where the where you are registering for the Azure portal. See, it is asking. So we need to provide the details. Before that, see here already we have logged into the uh, Azure portal, right? I'm just again logging in. I want to show you something. Azure, create Azure free account, right? See here, start free pay as you go. Na? Here, this page only we got, right? What they are providing, popular services. There are a number of services. Microsoft is, believe me, Microsoft is having 200 plus services in their box. 200 plus services means out of which, as per our business needs, our business requirements, most of the clients they will use up to 10 to 15 services only. Okay, but Microsoft is providing 200 plus services. Means for every business need they are having one service. For every business they are having one service, we can utilize that. For like that, what are the popular services are there, they are giving entirely free for 1 year, and 55 plus other services are always free for this start free. And whenever you are creating account, the Microsoft will provide 200 US dollars into your account. They will credit into your account. Into your account means into your, just now you have created na email account that you are registering, right, with the Azure. In that they will provide you 200 US dollars, nothing but the 15,000 rupees as part of Indian currency. So with that 15,000 rupees only, you need to use the services for the entire 30 days, and you can access all the services. Okay, so next one is, these are some kind of services they are providing. This is the interface they are giving in Azure virtual machines, Kubernetes, Azure functions, logic apps, Azure DevOps. Okay, there are a number of services they have provided. Azure Cosmos DB, Azure Service App, Azure Functions. So like this. So just now click on free try, start free. So you will come to this page, and here you need to provide some information. The first name, the last name I'm giving Azure. Okay, the last name is, so middle name is Azure, last name is data engineering, email ID is this one, and again you will get the OTP to this number. Please send me the number again. Yeah, please send me the verification code. Click on verify code. Once you click on verify code, provide some, these all are not mandatory. Okay, just you can provide, otherwise leave it. Just I'm just giving the same details. Smart SIM IT, optional address line, PHP. Okay. page. What? First, I agree to the subscription. Okay, and this is not required. Just click on next. Just you need to provide some information and you need to click on next. That's it. So it will take you to the, if all the details are proper, it will take you to the payment page. Okay, so this is taking to the payment page. So this is the last step to create the Azure account. Okay, so here you need to provide your Visa or Master debit card or credit card. Either one of the details is fine. Either you need to provide the Visa card or either you need to provide the Master card. These two cards only it will be accepted, and you need to provide the card name, card holder number, and expiry date, CVV, and just click on sign up. So you will get some doubt. So why we need to provide this credit card information or debit card information, as we are creating a free account? Means what they will do, this Microsoft people, they are giving the entire services free for 1 month. Okay, even they are giving credit of 13,300 rupees into your account only. But what happens is you need to authenticate first. Okay, you need to authenticate with the credit card or debit card, so it will debit 1 rupee from your account. So means authentication purpose, whether this guy is proper or not. Because after 30 days, even after 30 days, if you want to, okay, what we call, if you want to subscribe after 30 days, then it will be continued, and the next month onwards you'll get the bill. The next month onwards you'll get the bill. That is the reason what we are doing. We will use for only 30 days. Once it is done 30 days, we'll deactivate the account. Again we'll create a new account with new card number. Okay, same card if you are using one time, you cannot use for the next time. And again you need to create the new Gmail account. Means whatever we are doing from the scratch now, creating the email account and registering with the Azure portal, the same steps you need to follow again. That is the reason they are asking card holder name, card number. No issues, you can provide your proper credit card and debit card, working credit card and debit card details only. If it is not working, it won't take. Okay, it will be authenticated and it will be debited 1 rupee from your account. And means 1 rupee if it is debited, then you have created the account properly, you have registered. But you need to just click on the sign up after giving all the details. So the second step is also done. Second step is we need to register this email ID with the Azure portal. That step is also done. What account we are registering? This one. We are data engineering at smartstreamit.onmicrosoft.com. Okay, once it is done, the entire step is done. Then next step is final step. Just to go to the okay, https forward slashes portal dot dot com slash, click on enter. This is the page where you need to log in. Just click on this one. This is our email ID, right? So click on this Vira Data Engineering. So it will take you to the Azure portal. See, this is the only portal you need to use each and every time. See, this is the only portal. You no need to install any softwares. You no need to do anything. Just create one account, log into this portal, and utilize the services. And you will get one more doubt also, as we haven't done the sign up. We haven't done the sign up, right? Just we have provided all the details. We haven't authenticated with the credit card. And how it is logging in means, with the Azure portal you can log in with the Microsoft account after registering this account with the Azure portal. But what happens is, you can able to register, you can able to log in, but you cannot able to utilize any services because you haven't signed. Once you signed up only, this account will be activated. How you will come to know? Just to go to the Microsoft. Whenever you log in, just to click on the subscriptions, search for the subscriptions, click on the subscriptions option. See here, it is not showing anything. None of the entries are matched with the given filter. Means nothing. Generally if you are registering like this, clicking on sign up, once you, after sign up, if you are logging in, it will show free trial account. The name, it will show free trial account, and it is available for the 30 days, and the account is active. Some message it will show. If you are getting the message saying that free trial here in the subscriptions, means you have created a account properly and you can utilize all the services in the Azure free for 1 month and you can practice our classes as well. Okay, so why they have provided the search box here means I told you right, there are 200 plus services are provided by the Microsoft, out of which whatever the service if you want to use you can search it and you can utilize it. Suppose I want to create a data factory, data factory, Azure data factory. If I want to create data bricks, Azure data bricks. If I want to create some kind of a accounts, storage accounts. If I want to create some kind of Azure Cosmos DB, Azure Cosmos DB. Like this, you can set the services and you can utilize it. Clear everyone? Any doubts here in this class? Please ask me if anything. I hope everyone clear. If any questions also,
We are good to go.
yeah, you can provide your Vera. You can provide your debit card and credit card details. You can register with the same. Okay, I will just ping this email ID in our group. So just sorry, and I will provide you the password also to you. This is your email ID and the password. Just ping me in the WhatsApp. I'll send you. So how to deactivate the account? Actually, you no need to deactivate the account. What we are doing in our class is, okay, I'll show you that how to deactivate the account also. But the thing is, once your 30 days is done, okay, believe me, whatever the you are getting, okay, see here, whatever the credit you are getting means 14,000 rupees, it will show here in the alert box. So after 30 days, most of the time we may use 3,000 or 4,000, remaining 10,000 will be pending every time for every class. Okay, because the services it will be taking very less, 1 rupee, 2 rupee for 1 month, 2 month, like that it is taking. So no, you no need to deactivate. Just after 1 month, just try to whatever the work you have done here, whatever the services you have created, try to delete that services, all the services. I'll show you how to delete that once we have created, so that the account it won't charge anything. And if you want to deactivate the account, also there is one option will be there. Currently, I am unable to show because the account is not activated, right? So there you need to click and deactivate the account. And once you have used email account, once you have used credit card or debit card, it will not be the next time. Second time you need to give the entirely new details. Okay, deactivate the account. Please password. Please let me know here. Once logged in, I will change it here immediately and add debit card. Okay, just okay. This is because anyway you'll get the authentication every time. Okay. I'm giving admin at the rate 1 2. This is the password I have provided. Yeah, okay. Sudhir, can you just go on mute, please? I'm getting some noise from your side. Yeah. Any other questions? Anyone? Any questions? Okay, good. So that's all for today's class. So what I'm doing is whatever the 3 classes are done, I think you will get the videos in the WhatsApp group regularly. All the recording videos will be sent to you, and whatever the notepads and the drawings I have done till now, I will send you today. All the notepads and all. You no need to write anything. Just listen the class. Okay, concentrate on the class, and if you have any doubts, you can ask me. And why I have taken this class today itself, because tomorrow and day after tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday, we don't have class. Again, we have class on Monday morning 9 to 10 same time. So before coming to the class, everyone please create a Azure account and you can come to the class so that we can start the classes from the Monday onwards, main classes.
Sure, definitely.
Who are registered, we are providing the SQL classes on Monday only. Okay, who are registered, we'll send you the access to you guys. You can log in and you can parallelly learn SQL and Azure. Morning you can see SQL videos and evening you can see our Azure classes after completion of the class.
One small request. Can I ask this question, please?
Yes.
Okay, see, along with this SQL and Azure data engineer, along with this, can we have this Power BI also? Is it really mandatory to learn this Power BI in a,
See, actually, there is
because,
a 0% dependency. The Power BI.
okay,
You no need to
okay,
learn and go. Don't try to learn outside also because there are very less number of opportunities in the Power BI. Even the Power
okay,
BI reporting developers also they are moving to other skills.
okay. The reason behind why I'm asking this question because I'm US, right? So most of the clients are looking
Yes,
forward for the SQL and Azure data engineer. The way you
yes,
teach it was
exactly.
really good. You know, I'm really happy for that. But just asking to know more in detail about that. Nothing there.
Yes, yes, correct. I understood. So just don't go for the Power BI and even our Azure data engineering. There is 0% dependency on Power BI. You don't need to learn.
Right. Right. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. Regarding the class timings, I told you right. We can discuss on Monday because after the students has been registered, so based on the students' feedback, what time they are convenient, we'll take the class on that particular time. Okay, these 2 days we'll work on it, Saturday and Sunday, and we'll let you know the timings from Monday. But Monday you can join 9 to 10. Later we'll decide at what is the exact timing for all the day, for all the classes. Sorry, actually I'm not getting you.
So, when will be the class starting from Monday? Is it at 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock?
Yeah, Monday will be 9 to 10 only. From Tuesday onwards, we'll let you know. Monday will be 9 to 10,
Okay, okay,
and you can discuss with your respective sparks related to the timing, and they will fix one time and they will let me know.
sure. Thank you.
Okay. Any other questions? Any other challenges? Thank you so much for your time. Yeah, thanks, Veera. Thank you. So have a good weekend, guys. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow we don't have class, and we'll meet on Monday. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thanks for joining.
Thank you.
Thank you all. Bye.
Thank you all. Bye.
Yeah, thank you.